this detailed review, we are going to explore the Oraimo Watch Nova R, a smartwatch designed for fitness lovers and daily wear users, offering a blend of functionality and affordability. We are checking out the brand new Oraimo Watch Nova R, which currently goes for around 36,900 naira. And trust me, at this price, the smartwatch is packing serious value. If you wish to place an order, head over to Oraimo website and make use of my coupon code GEEKDELINO to get a 5% discount. The Oraimo Watch Nova R model OSW821N comes with a TFT HD screen, Bluetooth calling and health tracking capabilities. In this review, we will talk about what you can find inside the box, the design, features, performance, battery life, and overall value. It's designed for an active lifestyle with features like IP68 waterproofing and over 100 sports mode. The Oraimo Watch Nova R comes in standard retail box, including the user manual, the watch, and the charging cable. The unboxing experience feels premium with the watch neatly presented in foam. First impression highlights its silk round design with a 1.39-inch TFT display and panda glass for scratch resistance, and silicone material indicates comfort for all day wear. If you've watched the video to this point, now will be a good time for you to go ahead and like and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. The design is classic and round, appealing for both men and women, with a black color to suit personal style. The touch interface is responsive and the navigation through menu is intuitive, aligning with user feedback on the user-friendly interface. The Oraimo Watch Nova R is packed with features, making it strong contender in its price range. You can make and receive call via Bluetooth, which is super convenient if your phone isn't nearby. The mic and the speaker quality are actually quite decent for this price point. You also get a smart notification, alarms, weather updates, music controls, a voice assistant, and a remote camera shutter to take photos from your phone. On the health and fitness side, Oraimo didn't hold back. You get a 24/7 heart rate monitor, SpO2 tracking to keep an eye on your blood oxygen levels, sleep tracking, and even female health reminders. Everything is neatly displayed and it synchronizes with the Oraimo Health app, which gives you a dashboard for all your stats and goals. For workouts and fitness lovers, you'll be happy to hear that the Nova R supports 120 sports mode. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, doing yoga, or hitting the gym, it got you covered. The built-in motion sensor do a pretty good job at tracking your movements, allow response, and distance, especially when paired with your phone GPS. Battery life is another win. Oraimo promises up to 7 days of usage on a full charge, and for my testing, it's actually pretty accurate. There's also power saving mode if you are trying to stretch the battery longer. Charging is done via magnetic charger and it takes about 2 hours to get from 0 to 100%. The companion Oraimo Health app is super clean and easy to use. You can customize the watch face and there are tons of cool ones to choose from, whether you want something simple, animated, or data focused. In conclusion, is the Oraimo Watch Nova R worth it? In my opinion, 100% yes. You are getting a premium looking smartwatch with an AMOLED display, reliable health and fitness tracking, Bluetooth calling, and a solid battery life, all at a budget-friendly price. If you're looking for a smartwatch that gives you premium features without the premium price, the Watch Nova R is definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you think about the watch in the comment section. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one.